In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can join a Zoom meeting without having to create an account. This can be incredibly handy if you find yourself needing to hop onto a meeting quickly, or if you're simply not interested in setting up an account. With the method I'm about to explain, you'll be joining Zoom meetings in no time and with minimal hassle. The easiest way to join a Zoom meeting without an account is by using a meeting link. Now, when you receive a Zoom meeting invitation, you'll usually get this link either through an email, a calendar invite, or maybe a direct message. This link acts as your gateway to the meeting, and joining is as simple as clicking it. Once you've done so, a new page will automatically open in your web browser. On this page, you'll see an option that says Join Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. Now here's where you have a choice to make. If you have the Zoom app already installed on your device, you can choose to open the meeting in the app. This is often a seamless and straightforward experience, particularly if you've used the Zoom app before. However, if the Zoom app isn't installed, or you prefer not to use it, there's a handy option to join directly from your browser. Choosing to join from your browser can be especially useful if you're using a device on which you can't install new software, or if you're operating on shared or public computers. As soon as you make your choice, you'll be prompted to enter your name. This information will be what others see when you're participating in the meeting, so it's a good idea to ensure you enter it correctly. Once you finish entering your name, simply click Join. And there you have it. You're now part of the meeting. It's as simple as that, with no need to sign up for an account or remember any extra passwords. This method is excellent for those who frequently find themselves needing to enter meetings on the fly and don't want the hassle of account management. It's also worth noting that attending meetings through this method doesn't restrict you from joining any kind of Zoom gathering, whether it's a work conference, a virtual class, or even a social call with friends. Remember, while you don't need an account to join meetings, you might need one if you ever plan to host your own. But for guests, drop-ins, and impromptu calls, this approach is a lifesaver. I hope you find this bump-free gateway into Zoom meetings helpful, and that it makes your virtual meetings easier and more accessible. See you in your next meeting,